Not bad. Woo! Very nice. No crack and craw, black and blue. Let's get a weight on this guy. $15 ounces, just under a pound. It's a nice fish. He's healthy. A little tummy on him. Oh, no. Getting the Jordans all wet. Oh, thought that was a fish, man. That's a fish. Ah, nice. Hey, hon! We don't got a lot of time. Little, like, almost a pound. All right, little lady, go get bigger, go make babies. There we go. Man, am I glad I hit record. Ooh, barely even hooked them. Okay, calm down there, big little guy. This guy's at least 1.5 pounds, I'd say. We can throw him on the old scale. Oh, maybe I did hook him pretty good. Ooh, maybe I hooked him in the frickin' tongue, dude. Oh, poor dude. Oh, man, now I feel bad. Let's get the old pliers. Eh, 13 ounce. So not even a pound. That's okay though. Look at the healthy fish. Look at the big old belly on this guy. Gal. Whatever. Wow. She's definitely been eating. Alright, let's let her go. Thanks for participating. It's been real. Ah. Ooh, got one. Good one. Oh, it's a little guy. Not bad though.
Nice catch.
Yeah, thanks.
Catch anything else?
I just got here. It's the first one.
How many casts did you take?
2.
Oh, nice. You got a good cast then, eh?
Yeah, I guess so. Ooh, here we go. That's a smallmouth. Nice. Freaking A. About time. You're just not gonna give up, huh, bud? It's about 1.5 pounds, I'd say. Good looking fish. What you been eating, buddy? Wow, 12 ounces? It's not even a pound. It's crazy. Looks good. Nice and healthy. Got a big old belly on him. Her, him, who knows? Alright. Let's try to get the release here. There we go. Oh, God, does that feel better? All day yesterday. Or well, all morning yesterday. Got all but like 2 bites, and I hooked up on a smallmouth, but as soon as I got him up on the bank, he just like did a backflip off the hook and swam away, and like flipped me off on the way out. It was a rough day of fishing yesterday. Man, he was swimming right towards me. I didn't know he had it. Oh, son of a... Wow, I got that on camera. Wow, I got a bird nest and I still caught a fish. It's a nice looking smallmouth.